Hey everybody, Corn-Fed Lady here, and today I'm doing the homestead chores in a blizzard. So come on, let's do this. Everybody looks okay in here. I've already checked on these guys once today. I've been checking on them about every hour. Just make sure it doesn't get too snowy. I put a sheet on top of this cage. You can see there's a little bit of snow on it. The snow's been coming in through the eaves just a little bit because it's blowing so hard. So I put this sheet across the top of their cages. And I've got a towel draped across the top of his cage. And I hung this blanket in the doorway to help keep the snow from blowing in through there. So they're okay. Let's go see them chickens. Chickens don't really like snow, not ours. Hey girls, hiding out in the red light? That's good girls. You don't like snow, do you? The kitty cats are back there. I've already checked on them. Might make more footage of everybody later. That's good girls. You stay tucked up and out of the wind. Doing okay? It's kind of a snowy day, isn't it? You don't like all these snowy days, do you? Want some treats? Come in there. Come in. There's good girls. Let's go to this door. Hey, baby. You want some treats? Oh, be nice. Get you some treats.
You've been a good friend. That's in the thick and thin. I know it's never gonna end. 'Cause you've been a good friend.
Where'd you get snow on your face from, Gabby Kitty? Where'd you get snow on your face? Give me that. Okay, so. The kitty's doing okay in the blizzard? Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Kitty. Kitty, kitty. Get snow on your face, huh? Where'd you get that snow on your face? Baby. Oh my. Are you eating that ice came off my boot? You're silly chickens. Go check on the bunnies. Hey, Mr. McFeely. Hi. Staying pretty dry. You feel nice and dry. Yeah. That's good, baby. That's good, buddy. Yes, you are. You're good, buddy. That's my good buddy. Yeah, you got some ice forming. Got ice in there, Mr. McFeely? Let's dump that out. Hang on. I got your warm water right here. Here you go, buddy. You got enough hay? Good feed. Got hay. It is actually dry in there. It's just a little snow on top because it's drifted in through the back wall there, even though we have sheets and everything, because it's blown in through the eaves. It's a blizzard, okay? It's truly a blizzard. Bunny doesn't mind. He seems nice and dry and fine. He's okay. The girls are in the dry. They're perfectly fine. Hey, baby. You doing okay in there, sweetheart? Huh? You doing good? That's good, girl. Hey, baby. That's good, girl. They still don't really want us to pet him yet, and we're not forcing it. She also has a little carrier hideout box. We put some wood chips in there so they can help stay warm. They do have these foot mats that are made out of grassy material. They also have their Timothy hay for food. The foot mats are also edible. We have plastic ones coming that are not edible. But the male's kind of running behind, again, because of the blizzard. Yeah, you don't have near as much ice in yours, but let's go ahead and change it anyway. And we do have, what did I do with the picture? We do have some heated, electrical heated water bowls coming, again, also through the mail, which is running behind because of the blizzard. Okay, let's see, you still got food, hay, fresh warm water, nice warm bed. BB's good. Okay, come over here, check on Midnight. Hey, Midnight, how you doing? She's still the most skittish of all of them, but she is coming around. You can see she just sniffed my hand. She's kind of a hider, though. It looks like you could use some fresh hay. You still got food. Let's check your water. It's got a little bit of ice in it. I'll get you some fresh water, sweetie. Filling these bowls up with warm water, just lukewarm water. Helps warm their bellies up, and it helps keep it thawed out longer too, huh, sweetie? Here you go. I'll get you some fresh hay. You can see how much snow is making it in here. It's just a heck of a blizzard. Get this one some fresh hay. There you go, babe. Okay, let's go feed the wild critters. It's like a mountain range of snow in here. We got some pretty good drifts off this blizzard. This drift coming off our firewood pile. Don't have the heated bowl plugged in right now because it's not working. Hey Dev, there's drift comes from the barrier all the way across the front yard, and it did cut all the way across the driveway, except my husband and I have been taking turns shoveling it out. You can see how high it's piled up alongside the car there. That's a solid drift. North-south winds, and this drift is going from north to south. I'm not going to be able to walk through here. It's deeper than my boots are tall. But you can see, kind of get an idea how much snow we're dealing with out here. It is truly a blizzard.